In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot. This is a handy feature that can really enhance your email marketing campaigns by showcasing your products directly within your emails. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see various options there, but for now, focus on finding the More option. Go ahead and click on that. This will expand the menu, giving you access to a whole host of additional features and tools that HubSpot offers. Next, after clicking on More, you'll want to navigate to the Marketing section. This is where all the magic happens for your marketing campaigns. Click on Marketing and it will open up another set of options related to your marketing activities. Once you're in the Marketing section, look for the Marketing Emails option. This is where you manage all your email communications. Click on Marketing Emails and it will take you to a page where you can see all the emails you've created or are in the process of creating. Now it's time to choose the email you want to edit. Simply click on the email from the list that you wish to modify. This will open the email editor, a space where you can customize the content and layout of your email. With the email editor open, this is where you'll add your product module. On the right side, you'll notice a variety of modules you can drag and drop into your email layout. Look for the product module. Once you find it, click and drag it into the desired spot within your email. This module allows you to showcase your products directly in your email, making it easier for recipients to see what you have to offer. Now, if this is your first time using the product module, you might want to spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with its settings. You can usually customize the appearance and the information displayed for each product, which is really useful for tailoring your emails to fit your brand's style and message. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot. This feature is a fantastic way to make your emails more engaging and informative, helping you to better connect with your audience and drive conversions. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is not just about what you say, but also how you present it. Using tools like the product module can greatly enhance the impact of your emails. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.